Okay guys, ready for a test of courage?
Adit, I'm really not sure. Why do you have to this at night? Come on, Nazwa. Don't be a credit card. It's just an empty classroom. There are no ghosts.
Yes, Nazwa, if there are any ghosts, I will be the first to face them.
That's the spirit. We're here to prove the legend of this classroom it's not true. Seen his flashlight around the classroom. It said that this classroom was where a student commit suicide due to depression.
Adit, don't tell scary stories.
Guys, we must be brave. Oh my god, the door is locked. How about we continue tomorrow?
Alright.
I agree. Because I want to go home. Please, guys.
Alright, let's go.
Okay. Wait, guys. I will turn the light.
Alright. Oh, what is that? Look at this. A book from the 90 years.
Yes, regular textbook. Did you guys hear that? It sounded like someone was whispering.
Maybe it's just the one.
I'm scared. I want to go home.
Calm down, Najwa. Maybe it's just a sound effect from outside.
Check the window. Maybe there's three break games in.
A ghost! There are ghosts!
Dwi, calm down. Don't panic.
I don't want to be here anymore. Damn it! The lamps are on.
Who's there?
What's going on here? Why are the light off?
Sorry, Mrs. Jusniati. We were just looking around this classroom.
This classroom song make people in serious, but you so go home now. It's late.
I told you. These classroom doors make people serious. But you so go home now, it's late.
What kind of strange stories, miss?
A long time ago, there was a student who was depressed because of family problems. He often isolated himself in this classroom until the one night he was found dead here.
So, the whispers earlier?
Maybe, but the important thing is you shall destroy this place again. Now, you shall go home.
Stop. I still can't believe all of this.
Me too. I never want to go to the classroom again. Maybe it was just our suggestion. Whatever it was, I don't want to deal with ghosts again.
Okay. Let's go home. Since anjir since
Yeah.
ulang.
Yep.
It said that. Come on. Ulang. Since anjir since
Yeah.
ulang.
Yep.
It said that. Come on. Ulang.